How to activate Primetime Boost on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to activate Primetime Boost on Tinder. So to get started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Tinder application and make sure you have already logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. On this feed, you can swipe it right if you like the person or swipe it left if you don't like them. Below the profile, you can see this kind of figure. Go ahead and tap on it. And let me tell you what Primetime Boost is. When you activate Primetime Boost, it means you will be top profile in your area for 30 minutes to get more matches. And it will increase the probability of getting more likes too. And to do so, select the number of boost which you want to activate. And then enter your payment methods such as credit card, debit card, or you can pay it with Google Pay. Once you are done, you are good to go. You have easily activated Primetime Boost on your Tinder. And this was it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial video informative and easy. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.